going on, everyone? Welcome back. My name's Will and this is the Whitney YouTube channel. Quick sales pitch: like, comment, subscribe. Those three things are always really important to me. That helps please the whole YouTube algorithm and push my content out there. So if you like the S650, you like mod videos, the Lexus GX 550, Ram TRX, you know, think about scrolling down below, hitting that subscribe button. Like I said, I always really appreciate it. So today we're going to be taking a ride in my 2024 S650 Mustang GT. I've gotten quite a few requests for a POV video, so that's what I'm going to give you guys today. If you're not too familiar with my build, this is a VMP Stage 3 Whipple Supercharged S650. It's putting out right around 800 to the wheel. It's my current build on the channel, trying to get to that 1,000 horsepower goal. But before we take off, let me go ahead and show you what we're working with. Underneath here, the crown jewel, the VMP Whipple Supercharger 3.0 Gen 6 Whipple. Like I said, making around 800 to the wheels right now. It's actually just a little bit under there, but yeah, we got the 3.6 pulley on there. It's on a E30 blended fuel, so yeah, this thing definitely gets rowdy. I absolutely love it. But let's go ahead, get into today's video, and let's start this beast up. right, everyone, so that's gonna do it for this one. Quick ride along video with my S650. If you liked it, comment down below, like the video, share, all that fun stuff. Like I've been saying, got a lot of parts lined up to get installed on this Mustang, try and hit that 1,000 horsepower goal. But yeah, headers, oil cooler, trans cooler, all the suspension modifications, the flex fuel sensor, bigger throttle body, axles, drive shaft, you name it, it's going to be getting installed, and we're going to document all of that on the channel. So yeah, like I said, if that sounds fun to you, think about joining us, hitting that subscribe button. But as always, everyone, thanks for watching. My name's Will. This is the VMP YouTube channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Later, everybody.